Hi everyone, in this video I will show you a simple trick for the squaring of the numbers which are very near to 50. The numbers near to 50 are what? 40 to 50, 50 to 60. So in between of 40 and 50 and in between of 50 and 60, all these numbers are near to 50. So the squaring of 41, 42, no need to do everything calculation like this. So I will tell you one simple trick so that you can do easily in one step of the squaring of this number. So I will take one example, 49. So how to do this? So just write a 25 number beside of this. So what to do this 25 I will tell you later. So how much is 49 less than 50? That is, we have to do the difference of 50 and 49. So this is the first step. So it is 1, right? So this one, what we have to do is we have to do the square of this number. So how much is 1 square? It is 1. So whenever we are getting a single digit, so in front of this we have to keep 0. So if you are getting a, suppose you are getting 2-digit number, no need to keep any 0. If at all you are getting a single digit, in this case you have to keep 0. So after this, what we have to do is, this 1 is there, right? So we need to subtract this 1 from 25. So what is the answer? 24. Write it here. This is the square of the 492401. Simple. So this is the trick. So first what we have to do, keep 25 aside, and then what is the, how much is the 49 less than 50? So we have to do the difference. We are getting a number, we have to do the square of that single digit, keep 0 in front of that, and then we have to subtract the 1 from this 25, 24 like this. That's it. We will see one more example to have a clear idea. So we will take another example, that is 46. So 46. So keep 25 aside, and then how much is 46 less than 50? So 50 minus 46. So how much is the difference of this? It is 4. This is the first step, right? So after this, what we have to do? We have to do the square of this number. So 16 is the answer. We are getting 2 digits. No need to keep any 0 in front of this. So after this, what we have to do? We have to subtract 4 from 25. 25 minus 4. So what is the difference of this? It is 21. So write it here. Simple. This is the square of the 46. 2116. That's it. So now we have seen the squaring of the numbers which are near to 50. Below numbers we have seen like 46, 49, below to 50. Now we will see above 50 squaring. Like you can take any number, 55, 53. So like that you can take any one and you can do the trick, and you can, by applying the trick you can do the squaring of that number. So I will tell you 54. So here, how much is 54 greater than 50? So we have to do the difference of this. See, 54 and 50. So sorry, before this just write 25 beside of this. So how much is 54 greater than 50? If you want to check, you can just do the difference of this. See, 4. So 4 is the answer. So how much is 54 greater than 50? It's 4. So after this, what we have to do? We have to do the square of this number. So it's 16. So now here the 54 is after 50, right? So previously we have seen the below numbers. Now this is 54 is above 50, right? So in this case, what we have to do is we need to add this 4 with 25. See, previously we have subtracted, right? But here this is above 50. So in this case, we have to add this product with this number. So 25 plus 4, how much? It is 29. So write this 29 here. Simple. This is the square root of 54. So in this way, the number which is above 50. So the squaring of this we have to add. In this case we have to add with the 25. If it is below 50 we have to subtract. So whenever a number is less than 50, to that how to find the square, we need to subtract from 25, and whenever the number is greater than 50 we need to add with the 25. So this is the logic, please do remember. So by using this trick you can do the squaring of the numbers which are near to 50. It can be 40 to 50, from 50 to 60. So if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.